Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to day 20 of PWA Ramadan Kids Series. Today, Qirat will be presented by Mohammed Saheer Ruknuddin. Qirat with translation by Syed Abdul Rahman, Nazm by Abubakr Muaz, and an interesting speech on the topic Festivities done at the end of Ramadan by Rayyan Shaikh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul a'udzu birabbil falaq min syarri ma khalaq wa min syarri ghasiqin idza waqab wa min syarri naffatsati fil 'uqad wa min syarri hasidin idza hasad. Sadaqallahul azim. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wattini wazzaytun watturi sini wa hadzal baladil amin. Laqad khalaqnal insana fi ahsani taqwim summa radadnahu asfala safilin illa allazina amanu wa amilus solihati falahum ajrun ghairu mamnun wa ma yukazzibuka ba'du biddin alaysa Allahu bi ahkamil hakimin. Translation: by the fig and the olive, and by Mount Sinai, and by this secure city, Makkah, we have certainly created man in the best way, stature. Then we return him to the lowest of the low, except for those who believe and do righteous deeds, for they will have a reward uninterrupted. So what yet causes you to deny the recompense? Is not Allah the most just of judges? Jazakallah khair.
मेरा दिल बदल दे, मेरा दिल बदल दे, मेरा दिल बदल दे, मेरा दिल बदल दे, मेरा गफलत में डूबा दिल बदल दे, मेरा गफलत में डूबा दिल बदल दे, हवा हो हिर्स वाला दिल बदल दे, मेरा गफलत में डूबा दिल बदल दे, खुदा या फज़ल फरमा दिल बदल दे, खुदा या फज़ल फरमा दिल बदल दे, बदल दे दिल की दुनिया दिल बदल दे, मेरा गफलत में डूबा दिल बदल दे, गुनाहगारी में कब तक उम्र काटूं, गुनाहगारी में कब तक उम्र काटूं, बदल दे दिल के रास्ता दिल बदल दे, मेरा गफलत में डूबा दिल बदल दे, सुनूं मैं नाम तेरा धड़कनों में, सुनूं मैं नाम तेरा धड़कनों में, मज़ा आ जाए मौला दिल बदल दे, मेरा गफलत में डूबा दिल बदल दे, मेरा दिल बदल दे, मेरा दिल बदल दे, मेरा दिल बदल दे, हटा लूँ आँख अपनी माँ से वहाँ से, हटा लूँ आँख अपनी माँ से वहाँ से, जीऊँ मैं तेरे खातिर दिल बदल दे, मेरा गफलत में डूबा दिल बदल दे, तेरा हो जाऊँ इतनी आरज़ू है, तेरा हो जाऊँ इतनी आरज़ू है, बस इतनी है तमन्ना दिल बदल दे, मेरा गफलत में डूबा दिल बदल दे. Wishing you and your family Eid Mubarak. Dear friends, Eid al-Fitr is one of the greatest festivals of Muslims. It is celebrated by Muslim communities across the world. It is celebrated at the end of the holy month of Ramadan. It is observed at the start of the Islamic month Shawwal after Ramadan. Eid is an Arabic word meaning festivities, while Fitr means breaking the fast. Eid al-Fitr is observed when the new moon is sighted. After seeing the new crescent moon, people wish each other Eid Mubarak. Nowadays, on social media platform, people share messages and pictures of Eid and wish each other. On the Eid day, all Muslims wake up very early in the morning, clean their teeth, have a bath, and wear new and beautiful clothes and apply perfume. Then they proceed to masjid or an open area called Eidgah to perform the Eid prayer. Prior to the namaz, all Muslims donate fixed amount of food grains to poor called the fitrah. This charitable act of donating zakat al-fitr is mandatory for all Muslims. Eid is a festival of unity, peace and friendship. After prayers, Muslim visits the home of their relatives and friends and enjoy delicious food called sheer kurma. Money and gifts are given to children, that is called Eid. Being a festival of joy and celebration, Eid brings a lot of happiness in everyone's life. It serves as a reward to people who fast the whole month of Ramadan and enjoy Eid as it's their own fest. May Allah open the doors of happiness and prosperity for you and your family. Wishing you and your family Eid Mubarak. Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. Jazakallah khair.
I hope you enjoyed this series. With this, we conclude our PWA Ramadan Kids Series. And inshallah, we will meet you all again next year.